Okay. Yep. They made another one.
Hey, Ducky! Stop it! Stop, Ducky!
Huh?
Ducky, get out of here! Get Ducky.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Stop! Stop it, teddy bear. Can you please get out of here?
No, they made a different
Ghostbusters!
one with the same characters, but it's just a different kind of.
Stay puft!
Caribbean over, even though just embassy suites and people like that, just because of the elevator. The pool, and they have the free
Stay puft!
deluxe free
Stop
breakfast.
Stay puff butt. Let's go, little butt.
Big marshmallow man!
In
Boo!
some type of winter, it would be nice to get away just for a day.
You look in my eyes.
It's small.
I worked at Dave
I'm sure
Buster's.
it's bigger than the one in Lafayette.
Ghostbusters!
Smaller than Key Lime Cove, from what I was told. It's about the same price. It's expensive. It's not cheap.
If you come.
Might be a little
No, let me get out of here!
fine, but I think when I checked into it,
He is
it was
crazy.
pretty expensive.
Please use your car voice. You're hurting my ears.
Haha.
Monkey attack.
Monkey will not attack.
But at least the food was really good.
Hey.
No, don't look at him. Look at me. Look at me. Don't get out of here. I'll have to hurt you.
Two I-65 south. They went the wrong way.
Look at me.
Look at Stay puft.
Don't look at me.
Hey, look at me.
Photobomb.
Yeah. Look at
He's a meanie, but oh.
Get out of here. Like, you get out of here.
So really, that
Stay
first
puft.
Costco off of Michigan Road, that's just like,
Boo.
as soon as you get onto 465, that's not too bad.
Alright, marshmallow butt.
First time.
Woo!
Second.
Marshmallow butt.
And that one wasn't bad, but
I
it
wonder
was
how you
further
make
up.
one of these.
Marshmallow butt.
Gets a little more
Marshmallow butt.
traffic, but
Marshmallow butt.
Mega chips.
it's easy to get to off the highway.
Marshmallow butt. Marshmallow butt. Marshmallow butt. Marshmallow. Marshmallow. Do not like butts. Marshmallow butt. Marshmallow butt. Marshmallow butt. Hey, 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 hey. Marshmallow
Hey.
butt. Marshmallow butt. Marshmallow butt. Hey, 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 hey. Marshmallow butt.
I love pickles. I love pickles. Hey, 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 hey.
Stop watching the Little Rascals again.
I love pickles. I love pickles. I love pickles. Hey, 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 hey.
Stop. Let's go, Ghostbusters. Marshmallow butt. Marshmallow butt.
I didn't realize there was a Ghostbusters movie coming out.
Marshmallow butt. What?
Yeah, they completely ruined it.
Marshmallow butt. Marshmallow butt. Marshmallow butt. Hey, 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 hey. Marshmallow butt. Marshmallow butt. Marshmallow butt. Hey, 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 hey.
I've been going to the movie.
Marshmallow butt.
What?
Marshmallow butt. Marshmallow butt. Hey, 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 hey. Marshmallow butt. Marshmallow
It's not
butt.
the exact
Marsh.
same as the one before.
I'm
It's
calling.
supposed to. It's Ghostbusters number 2. What happened?
Stay
What
chubby.
happened to them?
There's
Did
already
they
been a
all
Ghostbusters.
turn into girls?
Angel.
Or
Ghostbusters number 3.
Angel?
Ghostbusters 2.
Angel.
oh, is there already a number 2?
And hey.
I thought there. I wasn't sure.
Look at my face.
No.
Matthew, that's something new.
What?
Keep your voice down, please.
You know.
Marshmallow
Yeah,
butt.
stop that screaming.
Marshmallow butt. Marshmallow butt. Hey.
Oh.
Marshmallow butt. Marshmallow butt. Marshmallow butt. Marshmallow butt. Goodbye.